Hello and welcome back to the 450 watt Vero 29 SC LED light build. I do apologize for not bringing more updates on this build to you. I had a few projects there I had to get on the go, and plus the Erie Genetics is in desperate need to be moved into the flower room. So I'll give you a little rundown here of what we got. As you, from the last episode, I mentioned these connectors here. They did work like a dream. The only thing was the tolerances were so tight that when I went to assemble the whole thing together, it became a bit difficult. It became a challenge, and I like this challenge, so I didn't mind that really. So we'll move on over here and just give you a little glance of what's going down. As you can see, the wiring here, I tried to do my best to tuck it inside of the channel there to keep it out of the way. Except for the big blue one here, and we'll move on to that now in a second. Besides the brackets there that were printed, I also printed these reflectors, the 9 reflectors. Some there you see a different color and such. That's one of them is a different type of material, and 2 of them were painted with automotive high heat manifold paint, which really didn't do very much, so we won't be doing that. The cobs were all running very nice and cool. They're on 16-inch centers. And due to the efficiency at 50 watts, 16 inches apart is definitely adequate. The spread on the light, I kind of have it to, I wanted to kind of flood the room, because we are going to be filling this room, and we're not really going to be worried about height. They're all going pretty well right up to the ceiling. As for temperatures, let's see what we can get you here. Get that little laser on there, and let's see if we can get you a reading. I'm getting about 33, I believe, and that's the actual plate that the cobs are mounted to. And we'll get a shot here, see if we can get it from the underside, something closer to the diode itself. And that's peaking out at 34.8, and that's awesome. You'll see a lot of recent lighting out on the market. The main plate here on the bottom is reaching 100 degrees and over. That's not good. That's pushing the diode level well above 100, and for a majority of ones on the market, 85 is you don't want to go very much higher than that, and I mean very little, maybe 90. That also kind of speaks for efficiency also, because if you're producing a lot of heat per watt, that means you're not getting a lot of light per watt. So just be careful when you see numbers on different light systems. Yeah, let's move on over to this blue cord here. This is the DC current coming in. It carries the positive and negative of the DC current plus a ground wire. The grounds are connected to these channels here to make sure everything is grounded off for safety purposes. And that leads right on over to the connector here that goes to the driver. And you'll see that white wire wrapped around that shielding, and that is the ground wire. That goes connected directly to the body of the driver, and then we gotta get grounded right out through our AC current. Well, that brings us to an end of this little build here. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're looking for anything in the world of LEDs, please check out Rapid LED. Their customer service is amazing, and they're just great people to have in the community. Well, we'll see you next time. Bye for now.